Guys, good evening. Happy Saturday night. Welcome again. Wow, long time no see. Guys, Santa's gifts came. Naipon sila. Yeah! First gift from Santa, guys. This is a very good one. G&G, you know. Santa, thank you. Guys, sa cover pa lang, the best na. You know. Yun. What the heck? Oh shit. Piranha, guys. XL. Cross arms. Major Rinaldo Samson, Major Mark Javier, Lieutenant Edwin, Papi Poch, Kilos Boys, the dream, the best, guys. What the, guys? You know, medyo, ang sound na medyo, yun, guys. Ay, the best. There is a gas galley. What the heck? Piranha XL. Yun. Hindi ko santuin ito. You'll not be saint with this. Yup. Yan guys, oh. The site is what you call that? So it comes with the small magazine, and then you have the, you know, tunay with the bullets. Look at the bullets. You know, the best. G&G Piranha XL. Yun. The best. Yun. Uy! Shoot. Again. Yun! Touching up. Madamage. Madisgrace. Pew! The best. Piranha. It is also a threaded outer barrel, but this is 11 mm. You need to go to the up in the north and get the adapter for the tracer. It's 11 mm. Workshop, Northern Ireland Workshop. Doon ka makabili. You can get the threaded adapter at Chris. Si Chris ang may-ari nun. Si Chris from up the north. You know. Yun. Up the north. Music. So, outer barrel is threaded, but you need to get it up at the north. You know. Because I don't know, maybe there is one here in Dublin as well. You know. Pew! The best. Piranha XL, but SL. Sorry guys, corrected. Piranha SL. You know. Piranha SL. Yun. The, what you call that, ceramic construction of the cylinder valve. English yun na. Ceramic construction of the cylinder valve. Ceramic daw ang valve nito. We'll see. We will see if it's ceramic. Para spin valve designed to reduce frost. Build up in the chamber. What the heck? English yun, ha? Okay. We'll see this. We'll try this. Yun. The best. Kung ayaw mo ng ano, you need the extended magazine. And then, pew, one more. Yun! Nope, enough. Danger, ma-disgrace. Okay, back to the box. You know. Okay guys, that is Piranha XSL from Santa. There you go. What the heck? The box is very good. The box is beautifully, you know, you can see, you know, the box. Piranha SL. Okay guys, see you.